Let's meet Jordyn, an optometry student at the Chicago College of Optometry. Jordyn's journey is fueled by her aspiration to be a source of inspiration and guidance for future students. Tell us all about it, Jordyn.
Thank you, Alex. Hey, y'all. When I graduated from my undergraduate university back in Texas, I knew that I wanted to choose a healthcare career that not only resonated with me, but was able to provide an educational experience in one of the most diverse cities in America. My favorite part about studying optometry at Midwestern University is that I get to be a part of a profession where I can showcase my personality, knowledge, and have that personable interaction with patients of all ages. Growing up, I never had an optometrist that looked like me, so making the choice to become an eye doctor was a risky one, but it's quite rewarding. Sometimes it only just takes one person to influence your career choice. Finally, seeing doctors who looked like me inspired me to consider a healthcare career. Hopefully, one day I can pass that on and be a role model for those who do want to pursue careers in optometry. Midwestern granted me access to different opportunities to expand my optometry skills and helps me maintain an important work-life balance. Even though I'm a student, I'm receiving a personalized experience from local practices to advance my clinical skills. But don't get me wrong, I'm also leaving room to rest and decompress with weekend activities, Chicago city life, and even a few vacations. With my final year approaching, I've come to realize that I appreciate the Chicago culture, my learning experience, and everyone that I've met along the way. I'm just so grateful to have chosen such a fascinating profession in a distinguished university that will set me up for success in securing my dream job in becoming an eye doctor. I can confidently say that I feel like I'm living in my purpose. See you later, Alex.
Thanks, Jordyn. That was great. As you just saw with Jordyn, at the Midwestern University Chicago College of Optometry, or CCO, aspiring optometrists are empowered through hands-on learning in a nurturing, student-focused environment that promotes professionalism and teamwork. The future of optometry looks very, very bright. Cheers, Jordyn.